everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to do a quick little update video on the secret garden I've been creating. If you missed my first video on creating a secret garden, I will link it in the description below. This has been a work in progress and there's just lots of new things to see, so I'll show you what's going on. First, our gladioli bulbs have sprouted. We've got gladioli bulbs planted all along this strip of gravel in the secret garden. And pretty much all of them have sprouted. I want to say there's about 60 or 70 gladioli in this area. So that's super exciting. And the next new development that you wouldn't have seen before is all of the decor. There's been a ton of new decor added to the secret garden, and pretty much all of it is from local Dollaramas or Dollar Trees. We have a few thrifted items thrown in, but most of it is from our local dollar stores. So here is a little wishing well in front of you, and we've got some fence decor and some really pretty solar lights. I'm going to do a video later on with a little update about what it looks like at night, but I've got all these different colored solar lights, so it's looking a little colorful in the evening. And these giant flowers, I just love them. They're pretty tall, probably about 3 feet tall, but they're just so vibrant. Absolutely love them. And this cute little frog just hanging out. And here is a fairy that has moved into the garden. And as I mentioned in my first update video, a lot of the original plants that were in here, this is lemon balm, I'm constantly pulling out. It's seeded from a container I had in here quite a few years ago and always comes back. They're back. I cleaned out all the plants except for my strawberries in here when I started this garden, and they're all back. And this plant here, although it does look decorative, I believe it's called a thimbleberry. It's, I think, a native species on Vancouver Island. Not really the best spot for it, but it grows from under our neighbor's fence, so we literally can't get rid of it. But it does look decorative now. The only problem is it will get so huge and take over this area. So I might let it go for a little while, but I'm probably going to have to clear it out again because it will literally take over everything. It does have some edible berries sometimes, but to me it's not really worth keeping just because it takes over everything. And beside this bush, we have a little fairy garden. I'm going to do a video about all the little fairy gardens I have made in the last little while, but here's a sneak preview of one of the fairy gardens. And these are the sunflowers that I planted for Ukraine in one of my first videos. I have 3 pots of them with fairy gardens in them. 4 pots actually. So I will have another video with my fairy gardens in the future. And let's just take another quick little look at the decor. Over here we have a beautiful fairy that I thrifted actually at a local thrift store. I think she's absolutely gorgeous and for a really good price. And here are some of the original strawberry plants I had growing in this corridor. They do produce strawberries and they are healthier and more lush than ever before this year. And I think it's because of all the bone meal I put in when I was planting my gladioli bulbs. I think they've just sucked it up and they're looking their absolute best right now, which is pretty nice. They have always produced berries even when they don't look so good, so I think this year's going to be a really good berry harvest. And the really good thing is the birds don't know about this secret garden, so they never find anything in here, even before it was a secret garden. So that makes me happy because I actually get to eat them. And another little fairy. And one of the fairy gardens I made in a recent video. And it looks like the ladder that I DIY'd has fallen over. Put that back up. No, that's not gonna work. So anyways, just wanted to give you a quick little update on our secret garden and how it's progressing. I'm going to give some more updates in the future. It is by no means finished, but it's definitely come a long way from where it was. So thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next one. Have a good day.